Now we are starting with kingdom Animalia in that non-chordate part. In that third phylum, that is phylum Ctenophora. Okay, so we are starting with the phylum Ctenophora. So what is the meaning of phylum Ctenophora? Example of this phylum are too much low. These are lower group of a phylum because the number of organisms in this phylum is too much low. Example of this are Pleurodontia and Ctenophora. You can see the one of the example and animal of that group which are living inside a water where the light penetration is too much low. So ultimately they have a bioluminescence property, means in their body there is some light is present. Okay, so the example of this phylum is Pleurodontia and Ctenoplana. Okay, characteristic of this phylum are these are commonly called as the comb jellies and sea walnut. You can see that the size of these animal and they are look like jelly like animals, so they are also called it as a comb jelly and sea walnut. Second characteristic of this phylum is they are exclusively marine and free swimming animals. As like a जेलीफिश वगैरह जैसे वाटर के अंदर स्विमिंग करते हैं फ्रीली, वैसे ही ये एनिमल जो भी है ये भी क्या होगा वाटर के अंदर फ्रीली स्विम करते हुए मिलेगा. So the characteristic of this animal, they are freely swimming animal and they are exclusively marine animal. Now what is the meaning of that? They can find in a सी वाटर ओनली. ये सिर्फ और सिर्फ ये एनिमल्स जो भी है वो हमको कौन से वाटर में मिलेगा? सो वी कैन सी दैट एनिमल इन द सी वाटर ओनली, सो दैट इज कॉल्ड एज दे आर एक्सक्लूसिवली मरीन एनिमल एंड फ्री स्विमिंग एनिमल एज लाइक अ जेलीफिश. जेलीफिश की तरह ये भी क्या है? फ्रीली स्विमिंग एनिमल. नाउ द बॉडी ऑफ दिस एनिमल इज डिप्लोब्लास्टिक, means the animal body is formed by two type of germinal layer, that is called it as the ectoderm and that is called it as the endoderm. So these two layer are forming a body, so that is called it as the diploblastic animal. Another characteristic, if you see the symmetry of this animal, so this animal is a circular, so we can divide this animal into so many equal parts as like a radius. So the symmetry of that animal is called it as a radially symmetrical. The next characteristic of this animal is blind shark body plan. What is the meaning of blind shark body plan? They have an incomplete digestive system is present, but an incomplete digestive system. That is animal having single opening, and that single opening will serve as a mouth as well as means inlet and outlet दोनों भी एक ही opening से होगा. So this is called it as a blind shark body. You can see that most of the characteristics in these animals are similar with the phylum Cnidaria. हमने जो सेकेंड वाला फाइलम लिया था पूरे के पूरे कैरेक्टर्स के फाइलम के उनसे ही मैच करेंगे, बट देयर इज सम डिसिमिलरिटी. What is the main dissimilarity? In phylum Cnidaria, we have seen that there is a tentacle present, and on that tentacle there is a cnidocyte and cnidoblast there is a present. वहां पर क्या था? Stinging apparatus, that is cnidoblast था, और वो क्या करेगा? Poisonous secretion करेगा. But here there is no poisonous secretion like, but they are similar with that. यहाँ पर कोलोब्लास्ट करके एक सेल है जो कि इनको हेल्प करेगा ईटिंग के. ओके, वो हम लोग लेंगे. So most of the characteristic of this phylum, that is Ctenophora, it is related with the second phylum, that is phylum Cnidaria. Now the next part, animal have tissue level of organization, means a cell are aggregated to forming a tissue and that tissue will forming a body, but no organ system, organ का formation नहीं हो. Now locomotion, that is movement, locomotion, that is the place change. Locomotion in this animal are carried out by 8 rows of ciliated form plate. You can see in this diagram, आपको ये pictures के अंदर देखना होगा. देखो इनके body के अंदर there is a total 8 plates are present. So these are nothing but 8 rows of ciliated form plates are present, and because of the movement of that plate, there is a locomotion, that is the place change in this animal is a take. Now the next part is characteristic features of Ctenophora is bioluminescence property. The main properties of this phylum is bioilluminance. Now you can see that this picture of that animal, you can see that inside a body there is a light penetration activity. Okay, what is the meaning of bioilluminance? Bio means living, illuminance means their body will illuminated and they can get the light. लाइट का क्या होगा, रिफ्लेक्शन होगा बॉडी में से. सो दिस इज कॉल्ड एज अ बायोइल्यूमिनेंस प्रॉपर्टी. नाउ व्हाई दिस एनिमल हैविंग अ बायोइल्यूमिनेंस प्रॉपर्टी? बिकॉज आई ऑलरेडी said that these animal are living inside a deep sea where light penetration is too much low. जहां तक जो भी आपका सनलाइट है वो सी के अंदर नहीं जाएगा, इतने बेस में रहते हैं. So ultimately there is a full of dark. So ultimately how they can see? So ultimately they have their own light, that is called as they have a bioilluminance property. So this is the main characteristic of that phylum, that is they have a bioilluminance. Living category have a illuminance property of a light. Now the next part is, just a minute. Now the next part of that phylum is, next characteristic, like Cnidarians, that is phylum Cnidaria, ctenophores also exhibit extra and intracellular digestion. What is the meaning of that? Digestion. If it is take place inside a cell, that is called as the intracellular. If the digestion is take place outside the cell but inside a body, that is called as the extracellular. Means अगर मैंने एग्जांपल लिया, देखो जैसे कि हमारे बॉडी में डाइजेशन इंटेस्टाइन में हो रहा है. So intestine is an organ, not a tissue. So this is called as the extracellular digestion. Okay, extra means cell के बाहर हो. What is the meaning of intracellular? If the digestion is take place inside the cell, means if I am taking an example glucose का क्या हो रहा है, split up हो रहा है. That glucose is converted into C6H12O6. Okay, so glucose is converted into और ATP का production होगा. Okay, so this part is take place inside a cell. If the digestion is take place inside a cell, like amoeba के अंदर जिसे digestion होता है, so this is called as the intracellular. If it is take place inside a body but outside the cell, that is called as the extracellular digestion. Okay, so like a Cnidarian, ctenophora also exhibit extra and intracellular digestion. Now the next part, reproduction is a sexual with indirect development. Reproduction कौन से टाइप का है? Sexual means male and female will lay the egg and sperm and the fertilization is take place and the development is indirect. What is the meaning of indirect development? जहाँ पर larval stage है. Okay, जहाँ पर जो भी animals hatch होके egg से बाहर आ रहा है, so ultimately they will not resemble their parent characters. अगर वो parents के जैसे नहीं दिख रहा है, so this is called as the indirect development. Now the next part, next main part. Okay, cnidoblasts are absent, hence these are cnidarian. As I already said, most of the characteristics in this phylum are similar with the phylum Cnidaria, but this is not a phylum Cnidaria because they have an absence of cnidoblast. What is the meaning of that? हमने इसके पहले वाला जो Cnidarian phylum लिया था, ओके, हमने जो Cnidarian phylum लिया था उसके अंदर हमने क्या देखा था, वहां पर जो टेंटाकल्स होते हैं वहां पर स्पेशल टाइप का सेल होता है, दैट इज cnidoblast, और वो क्या करेगा, पॉइजनस सिक्रीशन डिस्चार्ज. बट ये फाइलम का प्रॉब्लम क्या है, ये फाइलम के अंदर वो जो पार्ट है दैट इज cnidoblast सेल इज एब्सेंट. यहाँ पर भी आपको टेंटाकल्स मिलेंगे. यू कैन सी दैट देयर इज आल्सो अ टेंटाकल लाइक स्ट्रक्चर इज प्रेजेंट, बट दिस इज नॉट अ cnidoblast. यहाँ पर cnidoblast क्या है, एब्सेंट है. So these are the cnidarian. Instead, they have coloblast sticky cell. You can see that in this animal, this like structure are present. Okay, यहाँ पर इस टाइप का कुछ स्ट्रक्चर रहेगा and this structure is called as a coloblast sticky cell. They can capture the prey, means when the prey is coming in a contact with that sticky granules, तो वो जो प्रे है वो इसको स्टिक हो जाएगा एंड अल्टीमेटली ये एनिमल्स क्या करेगा, उसको पूरा का पूरा कैप्चर करेगा. यू कैन सी दैट यहाँ पर भी आपको दिख रहा होगा, ये जो कोलोब्लास्ट सेल है यहाँ पर जैसे ही ऑर्गेनिज्म कोई भी स्टिक हो रहा है, सो अल्टीमेटली दिस एनिमल विल ईट दैट एनिमल. ओके, सो दे कैन कैप्चर द प्रे with the help of coloblast, that is the sticky cell in their body. Now the next part is ctenophora. Ctenophora is represented by very few members, hence it is considered as a minor phylum. Okay, number of animal in this group are very small. यहाँ पर जो भी numbers हैं animals के जो numbers है ये group के अंदर बहुत ही low numbers में. So ultimately Tunophora is represented by very few members, hence it is considered as a minor phyla. तो ये कौन से कैटेगरी में आ गया है? माइनर फाइला के कैटेगरी, बिकॉज द नंबर ऑफ दिस एनिमल आर सो मच लो कंडीशन. ओके, सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट दैट टेनोफोरा. Just a minute.